LMBB. Learn more, be brighter. Whenever I. Let us listen and recite the poem Whenever I. Whenever I see others taller than me, I feel that I am small and I wish I were tall. Whenever I see someone overtakes me, I wish my legs were longer to carry me faster. Whenever I hear, "Oh, your friend is such a dear," I feel like asking why, and it makes me cry. Then comes my mother, who says, "Don't bother. I love you, my dear," the words I'm happy to hear. LMBB. Learn more, be brighter. Burj Khalifa. Look at the picture and study the information given. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. It is a skyscraper in Dubai. It has 163 floors. Its height is 827.8 meters, 2,722 feet. It is the tallest man-made structure in the world. Its base is 3,33,100 square feet. It has the longest water supply line. It has the longest lifts. Its cost of construction was $1.5 billion. It is the most expensive building. Say whether the sentences are true or false. The tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa. True. It is the smallest building in Dubai. False. No other building has so long water supply line as the Burj has. True. Its lift system is the longest one in the world. True. Its cost was higher than any other building in the world. True. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences using the correct degree of comparison. Small, smaller, smallest. Second box is dash. Third box is dash than first box. Second box is the dash of all the boxes. Small, smaller, smallest. Second box is small. Third box is smaller than the first box. Second box is the smallest of all the boxes. Thick, thicker, thickest. The apple tree does not have dash trunk. The trunk of the mango tree is dash than the apple tree. The banyan tree has the dash trunk of all trees. Thick, thicker, thickest. The apple tree does not have a thick trunk. The trunk of the mango tree is thicker than the apple tree. The banyan tree has the thickest trunk of all trees. Short, shorter, shortest. Arnav is dash boy. Aditya is the dash boy in class. Yuvraj is dash than Arnav. Short, shorter, shortest. Arnav is a short boy. Aditya is the shortest boy in class. Yuvraj is shorter than Arnav. LMBB. Learn more, be brighter. Song of Songs. Let us now watch and listen to the story Song of Songs. The great ruler of India, Akbar, had 9 gems in his court. The 9 gems were the greatest in their own fields. One of them was Tansen, a great musician. He played different types of musical notes for the king. He played ragas like Malkosh, Deepak, Kedar, Malhar, etc. Tansen made some innovations in Malhar Rag and created Mia Malhar Rag. One evening, the king was in his court. He said to Tansen, "Ustad ji, play something new on your Tanpura and make us happy." Tansen agreed. He took his Tanpura. He started the Rag Darbari. The court became calm and quiet. People forgot everything around them. After some time, the king looked up, his eyes bright with praise. "Wonderful," he said. "Superb! I listen to you every day, but this was the best." Tansen bowed before the king. "I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world," said the king. "Well, my lord, there is someone who sings better than I," said Tansen with a smile. "Really?" cried the disbelieving king. "Then I must have him sing in my court. Can you arrange it?" asked the king. Tansen shook his head. "I'm afraid he will not come to the court." "What? Even if he hears that the king himself requests him?" "No, not even then." Akbar was very eager to meet him. "Very well, Ustad ji," said the king. With a smile, he looked into Tansen's eyes. "If he doesn't come here, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him?" asked the king. "Yes, but you do not go there as the king," said Tansen. "I shall go as a humble lover of music," said the king. Sant Haridas was the man. Tansen told Akbar about him. He was Tansen's guru. He lived a very simple life. He was devoted to music and to Lord Krishna. He lived in Vrindavan in a hut on the bank of river Yamuna. His disciples were Baiju Bawra and Tansen. When Tansen and the king reached the place, Sant Haridas was busy with his daily routine. He greeted both. When they requested him to sing, he smiled and said, "I am not a great musician. I sing as you sing. I left singing many days ago, so I can't sing properly." Tansen, his favorite disciple, could not persuade him to change his mind. However, Tansen knew how to get around him. He offered to sing before his guru. Then, as Tansen sang, he made some mistake again and again. "That's not the right note, Tansen," cried his guru. "What has happened to you?" said the guru. Tansen pretended not to understand. He made the same mistake again. Sant Haridas was angry. He took the Tanpura from Tansen's hand. He sang the Rag Darbari in the right way. He went on to the next and the next. The sweetness of his voice spread all around. Both the king and Tansen forgot where they were. The king realized that Tansen was right. He had certainly never heard any music like this before. He said, "I agree. Sant Haridas is the greatest musician. No other musician is so great as him." They walked back silently. Then the king broke the silence. Why can't you sing like him, Ustad ji? Tansen smiled. Shahenshah, I sing at your command, the command of the King of Hindustan. Guruji sings for the one who is the King of Kings. State whether the below sentences are true or false. Write T for true and F for false sentences. Tansen agreed that he was the best singer. False. Sant Haridas lived in a hut. True. Sant Haridas came to Akbar's court. False. Sant Haridas could not sing well. False. Tansen made some mistakes deliberately. True. The king agreed that Sant Haridas was a wonderful singer. True. What do these lines from the lesson mean? Put a tick mark against the correct answer. There is someone who sings better than I. A. I sing better than someone. B. Someone sings better than I do. C. Someone sings as well as I do. The correct answer is B. Someone sings better than I do. I'm afraid he will not come, Shahenshah. A. I am afraid that he will come. B. I am not afraid of him. C. I am afraid that he will refuse to come. The correct answer is C. I am afraid that he will refuse to come. But Tansen knew how to get around him. A. Tansen knew the way around. B. Tansen knew how to get Sant Haridas to sing. C. Tansen knew that he could go round him. The correct answer is B. Tansen knew how to get Sant Haridas to sing. I sing at your command. A. I sing because you ask me to. B. Your command is musical for me. C. You sing at my command. The correct answer is A. I sing because you ask me to. Guruji sings for one who is the King of Kings. A. Guruji sings for one great king. B. Guruji sings for many kings. C. Guruji sings for God. The correct answer is C. Guruji sings for God. Let us now answer few questions. Who sang better than Tansen? Sant Haridas sang better than Tansen. Where did Sant Haridas live? Sant Haridas lived in Vrindavan. Why did Akbar decide to go to Sant Haridas's hut? Akbar decided to go to Sant Haridas's hut because he sang better than Tansen. What condition did Tansen put before the king? Tansen told Akbar that he could not go to Sant Haridas as a king. How did Tansen get Sant Haridas to sing? Tansen sang Rag Darbari, but he made some mistake again and again. This made Sant Haridas angry, so he sang Rag Darbari the right way. Learn more, be brighter. Comparison. Let us study the example and answer the following questions. Example. Ruchir weighs 40 kgs and Rohit weighs 35 kgs. Rohit is lighter than Ruchir. Ruchir is heavier than Rohit. Mr. Patel is 67 years old and Mr. Pandya is 70 years old. Dash is older than Dash. Dash is younger than Dash. Mr. Patel is 67 years old and Mr. Pandya is 70 years old. Mr. Pandya is older than Mr. Patel. Mr. Patel is younger than Mr. Pandya. Sonal is 5 feet tall and Sonu is 4 feet tall. Dash is taller than Dash. Dash is shorter than Dash. Sonal is 5 feet tall and Sonu is 4 feet tall. Sonal is taller than Sonu. Sonu is shorter than Sonal. Rosie has 10 toys. Razia has 9 toys. Who has more toys than whom? Who has less toys than whom? Rosie has 10 toys. Razia has 9 toys. Who has more toys than whom? Rosie has more toys than Razia. Who has less toys than whom? Razia has less toys than Rosie. Mahesh drinks 2 glasses of milk. Naresh drinks 1 glass of milk. Who drinks more than whom? Dash. Who drinks less than whom? Dash. Mahesh drinks 2 glasses of milk. Naresh drinks 1 glass of milk. Who drinks more than whom? Mahesh drinks more than Naresh. Who drinks less than whom? Naresh drinks less than Mahesh. Write yes or no in the brackets. A state is bigger than a district. Yes. A country is smaller than a state. No. A town is larger than a district. No. A village is the smallest of all. Yes. A city is as big as a village. No. Fill in the blanks using words from the brackets. A rat is smaller than a rabbit. A deer is smaller than a horse, but bigger than a rabbit. The elephant is the biggest animal of all. A hippo and an elephant are heavier than a horse. The rat is the smallest of all these animals. Answer the questions. Write a one-word answer using words from the brackets. A bus is faster than bicycle. A train is longer than a bus. A bullock cart is slower than a bicycle. Which is the fastest among all these? A plane. Complete the comparisons given below. Choose the words from the list given below. As brave as Dash. As faithful as Dash. As useful as Dash. As hungry as Dash. As blind as Dash. As friendly as Dash. As busy as Dash. As ugly as Dash. As brave as a lion. As faithful as a dog. As useful as a cow. As hungry as a wolf. As blind as a bat. As friendly as a puppy. As busy as a bee, as ugly as a toad. Complete the following blanks with the help of clues given in the brackets. Which is the highest mountain range in the world? Which is the highest peak in the world? Which is the hottest region in the world? Which is the longest river in the world? Which is the largest ocean in the world? Which is the highest mountain range in the world? The Himalayas. Which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest. Which is the hottest region in the world? The Sahara Desert. Which is the longest river in the world? The Nile. Which is the largest ocean in the world? The Pacific Ocean. Study the graph and say whether the following sentences are true or false. Kolkata is the most polluted city in the world. False. Tokyo and New York are more polluted but lesser populated cities. False. Cairo is the second most polluted city in the world. True. Tianjin city is located in China country. True. London is more polluted than Tokyo. False. Delhi is the most polluted city in the world. True. Mexico City has less pollution but has more population. True. Cairo is more polluted than Kolkata but less polluted than Delhi. True.